Hello everybody and welcome to day 5 of helping myself. And this is my tonic, my source of energy, my addiction with me, tea. So yes, today we are going to do something which I've already done a lot of times in past but haven't really enjoyed it. So I was thinking, let's just give this thing another try. Maybe this time it helps. So I'm just gonna quickly finish my tea and get back to you. Hi again, so I've just finished my tea. So now I'm going to tell you as to what I'm gonna do today to help me cheer up. So we are going to Melbourne CBD today, and the CBD stands for Central Business District. It's the most busiest part of Melbourne. So yes, and we are going to do some shopping. See, let me just tell you one fact about myself. I have not been a great fan of shopping, especially shopping for brands. So I thought that let me just give it another try. Let's just see once again whether it will help me or not. And yes, one more thing, my friend Karthik will be joining me. So he also wants to buy some stuff and all. So I'm just waiting for him to join me, and then we'll head towards Melbourne CBD. So stay tuned. Hello again. So guys, I'm ready now to go out, and my friend Karthik has also arrived. Karthik, say hi.
Hi.
So now we'll meet you again in the city. So see you soon. And guys, the moment we stepped outside, it has started to rain. I think we have chosen a wrong day to go out. But anyways, अब ठान लिया तो करेंगे. So we'll meet you in the raining city. Hi guys, so we have reached the city, and lucky for us, it's not raining now. So I'm just gonna show you around, and we both are very hungry right now. So we're just gonna grab a quick bite, and then we'll get back to you. I bought this packet of nuggets as of now. So we're heading towards Federation Square to pursue our goal for the day. That is shopping. So let's see how it goes. I'll see you later. Hello guys, so we have come to Melbourne Central now. Now we're looking for shops around. We have found a Nike store. Karthik wants to go there. So let's see how it all goes. I think I'll also have a look at the shoes over there and all the clothing and stuff, and just get back to you. Guys, so there's a change of plan now. We have decided to eat something before we start to shop, because Karthik is feeling very hungry and I'm feeling very hangry. And one more update, Karthik's friend Hardik has joined us. So guys, please say hi. So now we're gonna find a good place to eat. So meet you soon. It's a slice of garlic cheese pizza. So it's very tasty now. So I think after this we're gonna go shop some. So see you soon. Hi guys, so we are finally starting with the shopping. So the first store for the day is Hype DC. It's a shoe store. So let's go and check it out. It's all so expensive, guys. I feel like buying them, but I don't know why. My conscience does not allow me to do so. But anyway, I'm still gonna try to buy something today. So let's see. We're just coming from the Nike store, and Karthik bought a pair of shoes. Karthik, can I have the shoes? See, there were a lot of good choices. I did not like them personally. I also told you earlier that I'm not brand conscious. So yes, Karthik is staring at me as if how. So yes, still we're gonna go to some more shops and see whether if I buy something or not. So we have taken a break from shopping now. Karthik has just bought a pair of shoes as of now. Now we are going for lunch. We're looking at the restaurants nearby. So yes, after lunch I guess we'll go to other shops. And I'm still confused as to whether should I buy or not. Because I feel good by looking at them. but then I don't know what happens. So let's see. So guys, we have come to this Universal Italian restaurant and there's a lot of waiting. So I'll just show you the line. Just a second. This is the line and this is the restaurant. And yes, so we're waiting for our turn. Till then, just enjoy the view. So guys, after waiting for like 40 minutes, we have finally got our turn. And now we are just going through the menu. So I'll just get back to you. So we have placed our order. So now we're just waiting for our food to arrive. Finally, after waiting for like 10 more minutes, our food has come. So let me just show you. This is my meal, chicken and avocado pasta. This is Karthik's vegetarian pizza. And this is Hardwick's chicken parma with chips and salad. So we'll just get back to you after having our food. So guys, we just finished our food and there is something that I need to tell you. I want to tell you, that is that I got the pasta for free. The thing is, there was something wrong with my meal, so they replaced my pasta, and when I went to pay, they said that had been taken care of. I was like, wow, it saved me like $25. I just have to pay for my milkshake, that's it. So yeah, I got lucky. I came here for shopping. I didn't do any shopping, but I got a free pasta. So yes, the day turned out to be good. I'm really happy now. At the same time, I'm really shocked that they didn't even charge me a penny for the pasta. That was very generous of them. I'm really happy now. So I guess that was it for day 5. And I'm just gonna head back home and then we'll talk about the shopping part, and also I elaborate on the pasta thing because that has made me so happy. So yes, see you once I get home. Hello everybody, so I am back at my place now and I have a few things that I want to talk to you about. See, I gave this shopping thing another chance, thinking that this time it could enhance my mood, but honestly speaking, no, it did not. मुझे नहीं पता क्यों, but brands मुझे excite नहीं करती. हो सकता है उनका प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा है इसीलिए, कुछ भी रीज़न हो सकता है. बस मेरे को नहीं पसंद आता ब्रांड से शॉपिंग करना, पता नहीं क्यों. क्योंकि आई एम काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु यूजुअली बाइज स्टफ फ्रॉम लोकल मार्केट्स. मतलब जो मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगता है, मैं कंपनी ब्रांड पे इतना ध्यान नहीं देता, मैं बस खरीद लेता हूँ. तो ये मेरी चीज़ है. बट अगर आप लोगों को पसंद है कि भाई मुझे ब्रांड चाहिए, तो बुरी बात नहीं है ब्रांड्स खरीदना. बस मेरे को नहीं पसंद आ रहा और आज मुझे पता चल गया कि ऐसे ब्रांडेड शॉपिंग करना ये मेरे मूड को अच्छा करने में हेल्प नहीं करता. बट एक चीज जरूर याद रखना कि लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ सरप्राइजेस. क्योंकि तुमने देखा कि शॉपिंग वाली चीज मेरे लिए अच्छी नहीं चल रही थी, बट दूसरी तरफ मेरे को खाना फ्री में मिल गया. मतलब दैट वाज नॉट समथिंग आई वाज होपिंग फॉर. क्योंकि मेरा आज का एम तो यही था ना कि शॉपिंग करके देखना है कि कैसा लगता है, बट वो मेरे नहीं काम हो रहा. तो अपने आप ही दूसरी तरफ एक ऐसा काम हो गया जिससे मेरा मूड बहुत अच्छा हो गया. तो मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि ऐसा फ्री में मिल गया तो मजे आ गए, नहीं. मतलब हम चांसेस लेने से डरते हैं. मैंने आज शॉपिंग दोबारा ट्राई करने का एक चांस लिया और वो नहीं मिला, तो उसके बजाय कुछ और अच्छा हो गया. क्योंकि पूरी जिंदगी हमारी सरप्राइजेस से भरी पड़ी है. तो डोंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योरसेल्फ. तुम्हें जितनी चीजें ट्राई करनी है करो, जब तक तुम श्योर नहीं हो जाते कि तुम्हारा किन किन चीजों से मन खुश होता है. देखो, खाने से मेरा 110% मूड अच्छा होता है और आज और अच्छा होगा क्योंकि आई गॉट इट फॉर फ्री. मेरे बहुत पैसे बच गए. बट यस, अगर तुम लोगों को लगता है कि तुम्हें ब्रांड्स खरीदो तो खरीदो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बस पता लगाओ कि तुम्हें किन किन चीज़ों से खुशी मिलती है और वो काम बस करते चलो. सो गाइज, दिस वॉज इट फॉर डे 5. सो आई मीट यू टुमारो नाउ ऑन डे 6. टिल देन, जस्ट कीप हेल्पिंग ईच अदर एंड स्टे गुड.